Good morning, everyone, and welcome again to another episode of how to become a digital nomad. And today's tip is actually about Bali. Lots of people want to travel to Bali, and it's been closed for quite a while. So basically, what happened in the next couple of days is that actually they open Indonesia because the visas were not on for a while, but now they just decided to open the visas. So if you want to come, you have to come on a business visa basically, and the business visa costs a little bit of money, and you have to do a quarantine for 8 days in Jakarta, and then from Jakarta you can come to Bali. Obviously, it's not the easiest thing, but this business visa could allow you to spend like 6 months or so in Bali. I mean, you can it's valid for a month or two, and then you can extend. So yeah, so the tip of today that if you are interested to come to Bali, Bali is open now. You might as well apply. If you need some help and some tips on how to get the visas and which agents and stuff, I'd be more than happy to help you guys. And yeah, best of luck on your digital nomadic journey. Thank you and see you next time.